Hey everyone, are you looking for the laziest job to make money online? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Cash Collect. In this video, we'll be discussing the easiest way for beginners to make money online in 2023. And the best part is that you can earn up to $50 per day. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make money without putting in too much effort. Let's get started. Let's get right down to business and examine the first way to make money online, which is eBay dropshipping. Adding this one to the list of sluggish things to do. And the reason I say that is because eBay is a marketplace where millions of people from all over the world come each month looking for specific products. So you don't have to worry as much about driving traffic to the items you're selling. Furthermore, creating an account won't cost you a dime. There is no cost involved if you do not want to. You must confirm your identity before proceeding, including your email address, name, and other personal information. To create an account, though, you won't have to shell out any cash. To be clear, just because I consider it one of the most slothful approaches to making money online doesn't mean it's the easiest. Things like eBay search engine optimization need to be figured out. Finding a successful product to market is another important goal. If you want to start an eBay business, you need to first learn the fundamentals. Only then will you be able to choose the best things to sell, ones that will bring in steady revenue year after year. Now, we'll discuss the second way, affiliate marketing, to make money online. Now, I'm going to file this one way with the other examples of laziness. Since you don't have to worry about shipping the product yourself, I consider affiliate marketing to be one of the most unmotivating forms of supplemental income. In other words, you have no say in the product's future development, upgrades, or addition of features or services. Your only job as an affiliate is to attract clicks to your link. And just because I consider it a slack approach to making money online isn't the same as saying it's easy. A good example is eBay dropshipping. You need to be aware of the specific steps involved in order to position yourself to begin receiving affiliate commissions. And if you've reached the point where you've discovered a technique that works well for you in terms of making money online with affiliate marketing, it will be a simple case of you just reproducing that strategy over and over again to bring in consistent commissions. Next, I'll discuss foreign exchange or Forex as a third potential source of income alongside my main two topics. I'd file this one under exerting considerable effort, and I'm sure those of you who are familiar with Forex would appreciate my placing it here. For the benefit of those who are unfamiliar with the term, foreign exchange trading entails the buying and selling of one currency in exchange for another using one's own capital. Therefore, if you have a losing streak of 3 consecutive days, you will have effectively lost the profit that you made for the entire week. Forex trading was one of my first forays in the world of side hustles, and while I found success in the market, I eventually became tired of always putting my savings at risk for the sake of potential profit. That's why I listed Forex trading under hard work. There's no easy method to produce money from the market without putting in some serious effort. If you want to make money trading Forex, you'll need to devote your time and attention to the task from Monday through Friday, every single week. To launch a nameless YouTube channel is another side business. I'm going to file this one in the main body. The reason is, especially if you want to generate money through Google's AdSense program, getting started is not going to be easy. After achieving monetization and establishing yourself as someone who can make money from the advertisements that can be placed in your videos, things will get easier because you will be able to outsource numerous different aspects of your own YouTube channel. Even if your channel isn't monetized, you can start making money from anonymous viewers right away. Affiliate marketing is a viable option for making some extra money online. So if you're interested in doing it on the side, it's not too much of a stretch. In order to make a video that people will want to watch and share, you'll need to think of some interesting things to say in the video and come up with some creative ways to present those things. And you'll need to do this several times a week if you want your YouTube channel to be profitable in the long run. The next side gig is also very much like this one in that it involves making short form material. Just like the previous one, this one should be positioned in the middle. Because of this, I don't think that producing material is particularly taxing. It is when you're first getting used to it, but once you reach the point where you fully understand your audience and what kind of videos they want to see, releasing long-form videos or short film videos, like the ones I post on my Instagram, will become second nature. As of right now, I am publishing many times a day short cinema videos that I've repurposed from my YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, I'm now experimenting with a few different Instagram accounts to see how well it works to repurpose videos from other people's YouTube channels. The same applies to you, by the way. When you find a video on YouTube that has a lot of views and comments, for example, you can alter it, use it for another purpose, personalize it, add text and animations, and then post it to another site. Then, you can use that following to promote your own goods and services or those of other businesses through affiliate marketing. Whatever the case may be, if you're a total newbie and want to start making short-form videos, you'll need to get creative. When it comes to my next side gig, creating a blog site, I'm going to add it to the hard work category. This is due to the fact that it takes a combination of things over time for your articles to attract a steady stream of readers. All of your blog posts should be written perfectly in terms of grammar, spelling, punctuation, and overall structure, and you should work to increase their visibility in Google's search results and increase traffic to your site through social media. In spite of the many challenges, one reason I've considered starting my own blog is the many potential revenue streams I could tap into. In addition to AdSense and similar services, you can monetize your website through affiliate marketing, the sale of your own products and services, the placement of sponsored content, and so on. It's worthwhile to put in the effort because those things have less competition and hence are more likely to yield positive results. Successwithbusiness.com is one of my sites that exemplifies this. If you visit the site I just launched and choose at random one of the blog posts, you'll see that it's already at the top of Google's search results. As a final side hustle, I recommend launching a Shopify dropshipping store, which I will classify as a form of laziness. It's not hard to start an online business. There are plenty of resources to help you choose products to offer, set up shop, and promote your site to potential customers. If you have a firm grasp on a few essential ideas, you can create a sustainable brand and generate 6 figures in revenue. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to get paid by merely writing reviews. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.